everyone, it's Holly, and I'm here today to talk about the Ramada by Wyndham Hotel in Burbank, California. My daughter and I recently did a trip to Universal Studios Hollywood, and when I was planning that trip, I wanted to stay somewhere that had decent rates and was a close enough drive to the theme park. I came across this hotel on Expedia, and it had the location I wanted, good prices, and suitable reviews. Let me share with you a room tour of what the hotel offers and an overall share of our experience staying there. We had a room with 2 queen-size beds, and I must say, I slept really well. I felt that the mattresses were comfortable. And one thing I will say right away, because I know it is important to people staying in budget hotels, is that I felt the place was clean. I felt that the bedding was clean, and as you can see, it has hard floors. So I know that that really does help with cleanliness as opposed to carpeted hotels. You could see by the tour that this hotel really offers all the standard things. So you have your nightstand here with an alarm clock, a telephone. Going over to the desk, there is a coffee maker with coffee, cream, sugar. There is the TV. Along with that, there is going to be free Wi-Fi available. And right below the TV is a mini fridge, which I always love having in hotels just to be able to keep cold drinks or put leftovers in. The room also offered this nice tall mirror. I always appreciate a big mirror when I stay places. The vanity area was beautiful. I think they had remodeled the whole countertop area. Down below there was a hairdryer available as well as extra towels and tissues. And you can see here there are a few things available such as shampoo and soap. Getting into the toilet and shower room, you can see that there is a tub shower combo that has a nice big shower head. And again, I want to point out just how clean everything was there. I really did appreciate how they took pride in keeping their hotel room clean. Another thing I want to point out about this room that I always appreciate is when there's a hook. And there was a hook in this bathroom. I believe that's a great feature because you don't want to be laying your clothes on the toilet or on the floor. Checking out the big closet area here, there is a shelf up above, an iron and an ironing board if you need it. As well, on the other side, there is plenty of hangers available, and they're actually the hangers you can take off of the hook, which I find to be more helpful. And then down below is a rack for you to put your suitcase on and a safe for you to keep valuables in. And we did, in fact, use the safe to keep some of our devices in when we were gone all day at the theme park. Definitely gave me peace of mind having things locked up. And then this is the view from our room of the swimming pool, but that is the room. And now getting into the lobby here, there is a business center there where they have printers and copiers available. And they have a variety of snacks and drinks you can purchase. They do not offer free breakfast with your stay at this hotel. However, there is an on-site restaurant there, Soto's Cuban Kitchen, where they serve breakfast, lunch, and dinner. My daughter and I enjoyed a breakfast there, and I found the prices were reasonable and the food was tasty. Plus, they had a good selection of different coffee drinks, and the cafe latte I got I thought was delicious.
So far, I really like their cafe latte here.
Other amenities of the hotel are an outdoor swimming pool, a fitness center, and a guest laundry facility. And along with free parking, I felt that the parking there was very safe. The guests can park in the hotel's courtyard, which is gated and locked, which only can be open with your room key. Well, that concludes my tour and overview of the Ramada by Wyndham Hotel in Burbank, California. Just to let you know, this is not a sponsored video. I am not being paid by Ramada or this hotel. This is all an unbiased opinion and my honest review with our experience staying at this hotel. I hope that you found this helpful or of some value. If you did, please hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching, and may you have a beautiful day.